Hello guys, welcome to the Apple's iPad Air 4 unboxing. Here we have it. It's the 4th generation Wi-Fi. The Apple's usual paperwork. And some stickers. We have the USB-C gold brick. And the USB-C charging cable to USB-C for the first time in iPad Air. We have the brand new Touch ID. We have the brand new color Sky Blue, which is more like a grey rather than blue. We have the 3-pin for connectivity. And it connects perfectly with the 11-inch Magic Keyboard from Apple. With the 3-pin. And also works with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation.